Hi besties, good morning and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, today is Saturday morning. Okay, so I want to head to the kitchen to go and make breakfast. Guys, guess what? I have new girl. Yeah, like you guys know, some of you that have been here for a very long time. Okay, some of you that have subscribed to this channel or do watch my video for a very long time, you know that I used to have a girl before, but during Christmas, when we travel for Christmas, I decided to send her back. This person came in on 16th of June 2025. So on 17th we went for necessary tests that I'm supposed to conduct on somebody who is coming to take care of, become part of my family. So luckily all the tests came out good. Am I saying all this? I have resumed my work on this YouTube channel. So I'm going to be, I would say that I'll be 100% active, but at least 60% active here. So support me. So let's head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I'm going to see you guys later. So guys, I'm done beating. Yeah. Beautiful mom of 3. Beautiful mom of 3 plus 1, guys. Beautiful mom of 4. I am now beautiful mom of 4. So I'm done beating. I'm going to sleep now. I'm going to lie down and rest for like 30 minutes before I start. Before I head to the kitchen again to make lunch for the kids. Yeah, I have normally Saturdays are for cooking but I'm not cooking anything today. I have stew in the freezer, so the only thing I'm going to cook this afternoon, I'm going to make cook spaghetti for the kids. Okay, just boil spaghetti for the kids. So after that, nothing again till night. Okay, so that's it. But I just want to rest for like 30 minutes, then I come out. So I'm going to talk to you guys later.
Bye. See you later.
Say hi. Mommy. So this. So this one is leftover stew. I have another stew again. So these kids are going to be eating this head because I'm not ready to go and open the other container in search of meat. So whatever I have in this bowl is what they're going to use, and I'm not gonna boil egg. Since I heard that putting egg inside food to boil is not good, I don't know how true it is, but I saw it on Facebook. Somebody said that it's not good. So since that time, I don't used to do it again.
My spelling book is not there.
Fine. Come here. Let me see your hand.
No.
Alright, you're gonna open it also. So
My spelling book is not here.
since that time my stocks,
And she's some chocolates.
I'm coming. So sorry, I'm not using plastic to turn this because it's not also good
See my
to
spelling book.
put plastic inside the hot spots. So I'm gonna bring iron spoon now, okay? So I just use it to bring out the soup. Yeah. Going to wash it. Yeah. So we're going to be taking this off. Yeah, so guys, I saw this plate rack and I chose this. Yeah, I saw so many of them, but I chose this. The reason why I choose this one is because of the space down. It has balance at this downside, like that if you keep your plates it won't fall off, or maybe the kids, if they want to take something from there, it's not going to fall off. And when you see sample online, you would think is big, so I'm thinking this thing is going to be bigger than this. Okay, I will say that what they give me is not actually what I ordered, but I think it's going to be more bigger than this, but it's not as big as, but it is okay. The reason why I like it is because it is strong. Yeah, it is strong, but I just pray that it lasts. But looking at it, touching it, it is strong. So let's piece this together. Let's see what is going to look like. I was trying to fix that thing, so I put it at the top. I later now checked the manuals and I saw how they fix it, and I got it right. So this is the final result. So what do you think? I think this looks more beautiful, and it makes the kitchen look more touch. Okay, yeah. So thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. It also makes the kitchen look touch. What do you think? Hi, good morning guys. So it is another beautiful morning here. Okay, so it is Monday morning here. Okay, so I usually wake up around 5 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. or 6 a.m. So today I woke up around 6 a.m. so I head to the kitchen. Okay, we had stew in the freezer, so I'm going to be boiling white rice, okay, for the kids lunch. Okay, so now I have put hot water on fire. So that pot that I placed there is I supposed to put egg inside, but I said let me just wait and set the school lunch, the school bag, the lunch bag, sorry. So after that I proceed in boiling hot water for the kids to bathe. Don't mind my face tiredness, I don't tire. It is not easy now. It is not easy. After talk, you still wake up early in the morning. It is not easy, so don't mind that face. So I put hot water on fire for the kids. the kids will use and bathe. So but unfortunately, before I got to the room, my girl has already bathed them with cold water. So I actually told her not to be bathing them with cold water again early in the morning, except in the afternoon when they come back from school. So I am so happy that she actually did very fast. I didn't even know that she was waking up. I was even going to their room to wake her up and um and they'll bring hot water for her because she's the one bathing the kids for now. I have help now, God. So but when I got there, she has already done the bathing. So yeah, so now I'm dishing out their foods. So they are going with rice, white rice, and stew, white rice and stew. Okay, so I put the protein is egg. So guys, here comes the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Support us in any way you can support us. I really appreciate all my supporters all over the world. May God bless you, or may your pocket never run